Failed that intraday megaphone that we're trading in. I mean, this could fall back to like 5,200 overnight if they're risking off in anticipation of the BOJ decision. Yields are up pretty much across the board. Dollar's still rocketing, which is super weird. Maybe they're trying to pad hedges against a move in the yen. Russell down 75 BPS, YM up 13, NQ 86, ES 56, oil up 153 points. I mean, for all intents and purposes, most of this should have been fairly bullish for today. So, it's kind of surprising that positioning broke down so much. Although we did close below the market maker's expected move. Yeah, that's interesting. So if we've set a high for the week here on Monday, that's pretty bearish, especially for the rest of the week. RSP closed down, QQQ closed under open too, I think. Yeah, that's nuts. Anyway, commodities moved up 56 points today, or the Bloomberg Commodity Index futures. Yields and dollar both up. I think the 10 years just above 4.3. Correlation and 3-month correlation continue to break down after Friday's close. So not a lot of stability and dispersion there today. Yield curve's definitely tightening up. Vol didn't really move too much, but it moved a little. I mean, given how hard they shorted VIX futures, cash VIX is only down 42 BPS. And VIX 3-month was only down 85. Skew, I don't think is updated yet. This probably hasn't either. Correlation broke down a lot this week, but vol shorts did pick up today. So it moved. This morning it was like 35, negative 35. Moved down about 2%. We're pricing in 61.5 points of rate cuts. Most of the index performed pretty well, though. I guess the exception of like health tech didn't do too hot today, and health services. But durables did pretty well. Commercial and consumer services. Retail's not so great. Neither was finance, but tech did really well. Or at least the bigger part of tech did really well. Just didn't hold those gains. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning. Later, everyone.